Waukesha Engine Learning is shaping the technicians of tomorrow. Our innovative use of augmented reality in training provides a hands-on, immersive experience aimed at building the next generation of highly skilled and knowledgeable technicians. Learn with step-by-step guidance as you work through hands-on activities. Test your knowledge on critical procedures like valve adjustment and fuel setup. With these new digital tools, we're able to bring even more engine configurations and scenarios together to elevate your learning experience. Practice troubleshooting with real-world scenarios. Simulate elevated conditions in a controlled environment where it's safe to learn from mistakes. Expand your skills with Waukesha Engine Learning. Enroll today and start your journey. Experience the future of technical training with Waukesha Engines. Our hands-on approach to training, now enhanced with augmented reality, is designed to produce top-tier technicians, armed with an in-depth understanding of Waukesha engines and the practical skills needed to excel in the field.